Every section in the resume would have headings and subheadings. For example, work experience in the resume would become heading and the various companies that you have worked would become subheading. And in this video, I'm going to cover how to define or how to style your heading and subheadings. Now, while I design the headings and subheadings, there are 5 most important elements that I work on. The first is font. What should be my font type and size while I design a heading? The second would be heading style. Should I use full capital or something else? Third is spacing. What should be my space above or below the heading? The fourth is the border, the underline or something else so that I can highlight my heading. And the last one is the color. So let me show you quick details on all the 5 elements. You need to first select any one heading and select a style from the style pane in the heading section and click modify. And then select the required font type, size and color as per the resume theme. This is how it is done. Next is heading style. Modern resumes have various styles that can be easily set up in the Word. Once again, we select a style pane in the Home tab. From the drop down, select font. Here you have variety of heading styles. Go ahead and try them. You also get a preview of the headings in the window itself. Third is paragraphing. This is generally used to define the space between the heading and the dividers. Select a style pane in the Home tab. From the drop down, select paragraph. In the spacing section, before and after defines the spacing. So before and after each line, select the required points and click OK. Fourth is border. All headlines will have something which differentiate with general content like underline, top line or both, or maybe something else. And so we can use borders effectively for different types of designs. Let me show you one example. Again, select a style pane in the Home tab. From the drop down, select border. Here you already have predefined style and a custom style. I prefer custom style so that it can suit my overall resume theme. In middle, you can also choose the border design, its width and the color of the border. On the right side, you can customize your border design by selecting top, bottom or both. In this case, I have selected both. And this is how it looks. Last is color. Many a times we want to highlight the headings and I have observed people add a rectangular shape behind the heading. And then as explained earlier, it becomes very difficult to edit later. So here is an easy alternative to do the same. Select the headline to be highlighted. In the Home tab, select the color fill and choose a color of your choice. And guess that's done. So now your heading is ready with font style, design, spacing, border and color. I hope this simple steps would help you to design your resume template as per your requirement. But still, if you wish to download our pre-designed resume template or if you wish to take our customized resume writing services, you can always message me or WhatsApp me on the number given in the description and I will contact you soon. And so don't forget to subscribe this channel. Also, if you find this video useful, please do share with your friends and colleagues. Thank you. Namaste. Waiting for your comments.